Hey, what's up YouTube? So welcome to my farm. So we are here on my farm. Look, so beautiful weather and beautiful plants. Look, English yun. Welcome to the jungle of Camacho Farm. Okay guys, so ano natin gagawin dito? So sana mapukusan natin tong ano. Daming bubunutin. So, kapag kasi natin. Kapag itik namin yung dapat namin. Ano, pwede naman. Matabay naman natin. Parang naman natin. Ito sili. Ito sili. Dami na kasing damo. The power of pinakamay natin guys kung gaano kadumi yan. Ayun, tunay na masipag. Hey, what's up guys? So today we are here in my farm. So look, so this is my farm update today. Na hirap mag ano guys, this is a farm tour. Look at my cup. Look, cowboy. So yeah. So I'm done cleaning the grass here. Oh, lupit na English yun. Then kailangan natin mag-dilig or ayos ng mga halaman natin. This is our plant. Okra, sunflower. And this is Baguio beans. Di ko alam ano English ng Baguio beans eh. So yeah, I hope you enjoy our video. Oh yeah, so this size of my farm is 226 square meter. 226 square meter. Hirap pa mabanggit. Oh look, ayan, so wide, diba? Oh, doon, this is the big gate. Okay, so this is middle of the jungle. Look, it's the middle of the jungle. So yeah, so this my plant, okra, sunflower. I don't know what is this. What is this? So I think this labanos or what's called, hindi ko alam eh. And this gabi, kasaba, and gumamela. So this is Baguio beans. I don't know what's the call of this vegetable. So look, diba? Sign na tumatanda tayo. Mahilig na tayo sa mga pananim. Ayan, so look. Ayan. And this sitaw, it's called the sitaw of English. And another cassava cake, banana. This sili. So look, sili, yeah. And cane, sugar cane. This is guyabano, guava, mango, malunggay. Oh, this is lemon, mango again. So yeah, this store is very easy. Pine tree, and table stone. So yeah, ano siya, diba? Sobrang ganda niya. Yeah. Okay guys, so hope you enjoy our vlog for today. So I need to cut this grass. Okay, look. Look. Diba? That's all my hard work. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share this video. Okay, hope you like. Subscribe.